From earth to table, a potter's journey. Konnichiwa, my friends. I am Ikuhiko Shibata, a potter from the heart of Tajimi. You see, my hands have danced with clay for decades, shaping vessels that hold stories, memories, and nourishment. Today, I invite you into my world, a world where ancient Mino pottery meets the modern dinner table. This humble vessel? It was born out of uncertainty. When I built my kiln, doubt whispered in my ear. What if you fail? It asked. So, I had a plan B, a cafe. Yes, a cafe nestled amidst my pottery, a place where coffee and conversation flow like glaze on clay. Coffee, served in a sake pitcher? Unconventional perhaps, but life is about blending traditions. Just as I craft matcha chawan, I create tableware, plates that bridge cultures. Imagine Spanish tapas on these square plates, or perhaps a serene tea ceremony in a Western setting. You see, pottery transcends borders. A chawan simplified for accessibility becomes a tea time companion. Green tea mingles with memories, and the table becomes a canvas for shared experiences. In this studio, where walls breathe stories, I honor Mino's ancient sensibilities. But I also stretch my fingers towards innovation. For pottery isn't static. It's a river flowing through time, shaping culture, and connecting souls. So, my friends, let us sip from life's vessels, whether Japanese rice wine or coffee, chawan or plate. May our hands touch clay, bridging past and present. And remember, every piece carries whispers of the earth, waiting to be heard. And there you have it, a glimpse into Ikuhiko Shibata's world. If you'd like to explore further, join me on a journey through clay and culture. Thank you for joining me.